In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use the ladder gadget on the Assault class here in Battlefield 6. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. So the ladder is an Assault class gadget that lets you reach higher positions or cross gaps. To actually use it, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is press right on that D-pad to actually equip it first. And you'll see a placement indicator just like so pop up on your screen. Essentially, when it's red, you can't place it, but when it turns green, that means it is ready, or like this grayish icon, that means it's ready as well. Just press that right trigger, which is that same button you use to shoot, and it's going to place that ladder just like so. Once it is placed, you can go ahead and climb up it or walk across it to reach rooftops or move between platforms. It's actually very useful for flanking or surprising enemies from above. Like that guy never saw that coming right there, even though I almost died. After you use it though, you can check the bottom right corner of your screen. That's where the cooldown is going to show. And the ladder respawns in about 15 seconds, so you can use it pretty quickly, just like over and over and over again. If you ever do need to move it though, just wait for it to recharge and then just right press on that D-pad again. You'll have that option to recharge it just like so. And then boom, you can just place it again and it's going to remove that old one. Once again, this is not just for climbing. Sometimes it can act as a small bridge or platform to help you cross an obstacle like rooftops or onto vehicles, which is pretty cool. But yeah, that really is it. That's how you can use the ladder gadget here in Battlefield 6 with the Assault class. Hopefully this guide did help you out. If it did, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, remember that you can ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.